في أكبر الكتب.
Hello. Okay, we're going to take a bicycle ride around Serrano Campground. There are 4 different loops. So it seems like each loop kind of has its own vibe. The first loop, which is Summer Wind, seems to be kind of quiet compared to the others. Of course, we were up here Friday around noon, and a lot of the campers had not arrived yet. The handicap camping spots are really nice. Everything's paved all around for easy access. This loop actually splits off right here, and there's about 6 campsites down to the left, but the main loop continues straight ahead. Look out, squirrel. So now we're back onto the main road in the campground. Next up is the Snowberry RV loop. For some reason on the map they call it the Strawberry RV loop, but that's incorrect. The feel of this loop was kind of like it's the neighborly feel, with a lot of socialization with the other campers. So it does have water, electricity, and an RV dump at each site. I thought it'd be really hard to find a site here because they do seem to book out pretty far on the weekends, but I used one of those websites that finds canceled campsites, Even after I found the site I wanted, I kept getting notifications all the time. The one I used was campsitephotos.com, and for $20 it'll check for canceled reservations every 3 minutes. So coming up at Handicap is another RV site. This one has full hookups. I didn't check to see if the other ones had full hookups or not. It'll probably tell you on the map if you look. And now we're back to the main road again. And now we're gonna go around the Evening Star Loop. I call this the Outback, and it kind of had a party place feel to it. There is a nice bike path out here. It's a little over 3 miles and runs from this campground all the way to the boat launch area. If you are tent camping, they do have bathrooms and showers here. So now we're back on the main road again, heading towards Lakeview Loop. This campground seemed to be the family area. There was a lot of kids running around and having a good time. So this campground has, I think, 130 something sites. There's probably 5 or 6 camp hosts. It is a very clean campground. They do a really good job here. I'm sure it's a desirable place to be a camp host because it is close to town. There's cell service here. So we're back on the main road, heading all the way up to the front gate. That was the last loop. There's a lot of activities up here, and you can pretty much go wherever you want to on a bicycle. You get all the way to the other side of town, no problem. Even though the reservations showed that the campsite was full, just from what I saw when everybody was here through Sunday, it seemed like about 10% of the spots were vacant, and almost all the handicap spots were vacant. And from what I understand, if nobody takes the handicap spot, that you can get it. They do have a 2-station RV dump. I think it's $10, payable by credit card. All the staff here are very friendly. So now we're back out to the main gate. If you're thinking about staying up here, I hope this helps. We'll see you on the next trip.